Which cap you want to support?
I'm probably gonna head seaside first.
Where are you going, Z52? He says nowhere. Oh, he started moving.
What DD do we have? Grows of War on this side, okay.
Yeah. I like the Z52 also.
Yeah, same.
Like it's what, 6K sonar, and the tarp reload is, I don't know, 60 seconds, something like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty quick.
That's fast.
Yep, it is. Now, not a lot of length on them, about 10.5, but
You speedy?
what, the ship itself?
No, the torps.
60 in the 60s, I think.
Okay.
They're pretty fast and they're kind of hard to detect, but they don't do a ton of damage. They don't hit like a truck like the Shima torps do.
Oh, what do I want to do? Okay. I'm going to go to this island, then I'm going to turn out and try to support. But my radar won't reach all the way across.
Okay.
Did it come close? No. My nearest is straight ahead of where I am now.
Close to C or pointing
No,
towards
it's
the spawn point?
between B and C.
Okay. I wonder if they're going B or AB.
There's a Moskva way out there.
Okay.
Tarp's coming. Oh, everybody's from their team has come to see.
Wow.
Whoops, somebody's in here. Oh, nope, he got it. All right. Good job. They have a DD or up. There's a Vandergrope and two battleships over there. Somebody just dropped in.
Yeah, it's me.
Hey, how's it going?
I can't see who yeah it's me is.
Ed.
Serious.
I'm sorry?
Serious. It's me.
Okay. All right. I should recognize your voice.
Yeah, you technically should.
Yeah. But I'm not a real technical person, being an engineer and all.
I've been addicted to some other games recently, so I didn't play Warships much.
You've been what games are those, out of curiosity?
Some random weeb craft, and I don't know about the others, like StarCraft. That kind.
Oh, I don't know about you. Just ignoring this game.
Yeah, because I got frustrated.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. There was one game I played at like 5 a.m. in the morning, and the entire game, our team is like 25 kilometers away from the enemy team.
Well, sure.
They just sniped like both teams like till the end, and like of course our team lost, but I hate that kind of gameplay.
Is that why you don't like playing with me?
Not really.
Because it looks like I'm trying to snipe in Des Moines right now, but I'm not trying to snipe near as much as Hunter is.
Hey, I can do it. I'm a kind of both.
Yeah, I know. Just because you're in a Hindi.
Now my client is frozen up.
Ah,
I can't go to port for some reason. Alright, Alta.
yep.
That mask keeps popping in and out.
Yeah.
索敵お願いします。
I'm not gonna shoot at you, Mr. Massachusetts, because you'll see me. Along with all the other ships.
援護射撃お願いします。
Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay.
I think Mass is playing throttle games.
Yeah,
Stop.
well, I'm trying to play. How do I not be broadside to battleships? It's hard when they're on both sides of you.
Are the Soviet battleships coming out next patch, or
I don't know.
We're still
No.
I am kind of looking forward to them.
Yeah. Oh, dang it, gummit. Not a good game right now.
主砲発射。 索敵お願いします。敵巡洋艦を発見。援護射撃お願いします。 皆さん、あの敵艦を攻撃しましょう。主砲発射。 敵戦艦を発見。
Oh my gosh, that mask just.
皆さん、あの敵艦を攻撃し
We
まし
still
ょう。
have no kills.
敵巡洋艦を発見。
That mask was almost down, but. Oh, there's a gross up there. You guys got him. I'm going for
目
the
標座標へ進路変更
I want to get
Mothra.
up and get those cruiser.
Yeah.
目標座標へ進路変更主砲発射
Naturally.
Still in the game. We're only 100 points down. Okay, Moss was gonna burn out.
敵巡洋艦を撃沈しました
Come on, Charles.
あの敵艦を攻撃しましょう
Shima just popped up in front of you, Fred.
Yep, I see him. Thank you. Didn't see him. Planes up.
戦闘機を発艦させました皆さんあの敵艦を攻撃しましょう
My indicator shot back left, like he's heading back towards you.
Yeah, I think he's gonna try and outrun you.
There he is. Oh, a little off. Okay, got him though. Good job. Let me turn back around and work on this Vanguard. It's coming into range. Okay, we're grabbing a cap.
Nah.
You're not spotting.
No, I gotta dodge these tarps. They're 20k.
Okay.
この勝利皆さんのおかげです
All their DDs are gone, right? Okay.
Oh, no, 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 no. Dadgummit.
Rip.
Just nicked ya.
Alright, there's an Izumo in B. And there's a Massachusetts. He healed up.
I'm
Okay,
coming
I'm
straight for
turning
B
out.
now.
I'll get shots on the mass in a second. I lost them. There's a Zumo. There's the mass.
Well, I gotta try to go dark right now.
It's fine, you can get out of there. They're spotted. I
敵
don't know
戦
if you're
艦を発見
I'm charging straight in. As long as they're shooting, I'll keep them spotted.
Ah!
Ah, damn. I'll try and get him back for you.
Oh. So-so game.
Who took you out? Mass?
Mass or Zumo, one or the other.
There you go. That should kill ya. Okay.
敵戦艦を撃沈しました 敵巡洋艦を発見
Ooh, okay, you got an Alaska in there too, though.
Yep, I was gonna go after that van. You want me on the Vanguard, or you want me working on this Alaskan Azuma
敵
with you?
戦艦を発見
Oh, whatever. The Izuma won't last
残り
long.
5分です指揮
I
官
got good shots on the Alaska. I'm gonna see if I can take it out.
Z-52 has tarps out on the Azuma.
主砲発射
Alright, I'm gonna work on the Azuma. You got a Vanguard to your left, and I
敵
think
巡洋艦を
the
発見
Charles is moving in.
Azuma's trying to dodge. It's gonna be close. I think he's gonna dodge them all. He's gonna burn out anyway.
敵戦艦を撃墜しました
Alright, I'm turning for the Vanguard.
勝利が目前これが革命です
You got the Alaska?
あらしょ
No, he's gonna disappear, but he's out of the fight.
主砲発射
Alright, I'm gonna work Vanguard.
Z, you didn't want to smoke the Kerr first? Doesn't do any good. Unless he stops shooting all the way.
Yeah, I'm not planning on doing that.
Yeah. Oh, Charles Montel is gonna go bye-bye.
Awesome. That was a terrible shot. I think Alaska's gonna take a shot at me. He did. And he missed.
Vanguard's not gonna shoot anymore, though.
Nope.
I wanted one more ship.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. Y'all did well.
Yep.
Good job.